And welcome to the HYTE channel. So friends, today I will talk about HYTE new Y70. So friend, HYTE has released the new Y70 in response to the overwhelming demand for widely popular Y70 Touch, further expanding its signature Y-series of cases, and it provides HYTE fans with the familiar look and feel. The Y60 with expanded GPU and thermal support for the Y70 Touch. It is available in 4 colorways: snow white, white and black and black, and red and black. Provides familiar satisfaction of an integrated panoramic system view felt with the Y60 in expanded format and framed with external dimensions of 470 by 320 by 470 mm and extended 4-slot GPU capability with the HYTE Y70 continued the aesthetic design of the Y series with exclusive vertical GPU mounting enabled by a color match 4.0 PCIe laser cable and ready to house the most power hungry graphics card available on the market and can mount up to 3120 mm fans in the 170 base mat to provide a direct line to the airflow to the GPU and friend, the iconic HYTE Y-series ventilation pattern continues with the Y70 and has been optimized with lower impedance for increased airflow and cooling capacity, and up to 360 mm radiator can be mounted on the side and adjustable top bracket of the case, while up to a 180 mm air cooler can be mounted comfortably within the Y70, and the MRP is starting at $220. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.